Hi guys, Michael here from Leeds Boiler Company. Today I'm going to show you how to top up your water pressure on an Ideal Vogue C40 boiler.
To top up your boiler with water, first pull the blue lever forward on your cold water valve. This will isolate the cold water going into the boiler and it will open the cold water going to the filling loop. Secondly, you want to open the second blue lever valve. You want to be doing this slowly as this will put cold water into the radiators. When you're opening this valve, keep your eye on the pressure gauge above. The pressure gauge wants to be roughly on 1 to 1.5 bar. So slowly turn this valve. Once it reaches 1.2 bar, we like to say, shut that valve back off and then go back to your other valve and shut that valve back off as well. This then reinstates the cold water going to the boiler but keeps the filling valve closed.